Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus for note-taking experience. Today in this video I will explore the Note app and the use of Spen so that you can get the best use of this Spen when you buy this tablet. The first trick is to bring data from other sources into your Samsung Notes. For that reason, first of all, you have to open Note app. Now you have to scratch or stretch the edge panel. You have to select this Samsung Note or Samsung Internet, and then you have to search anything. Suppose I am searching heart. Okay, anatomy function heart, and then I will drag this image into this Note app. So what I have to do, I have to click this like that, and I can drag like this into Note app, and then I can also adjust the size of this page like this. Okay, as you can see here, it has been inserted here. Now you can note down if you want to do like this. Also you can highlight anything if you want to highlight. So in this way you can insert image from internet into your Note app. Now suppose you want to add some text directly from the browser into your Note app. So what you have to do, you have to select the area which you want to drag. Okay, like this you can do that. So you can see that already the text that I have selected has been inserted here. So in this way you can also add the text, and if you want to erase anything you can do that by pressing this button. Now suppose you want to use a whole new website and you want to copy the whole website into your Note app. So what you have to do, you have to select a new note. Suppose I will show you here like this. You have to select Note now app. Suppose you want a whole website to be copied in your Note app. So what you have to do, you have to click on the website or page you want to copy, then you have to click on this reader mode, and it will give you a simplified version of these text and images. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to select all the things, like select all, and then there is option add to note. So now you can see that all the text and images are added in this Note app. Okay, as you can see here, actually only the text has been added, and you can see the link of that website from which this text has been copied. Okay, so if you click on this link, it will redirect you to that website, as you can see here. So this is a very handy feature. Suppose you want to insert any image. Okay, like this image I will insert here. So I will drag and drop here. As you can see here, it has been inserted, and you can also adjust the size of this image. Now if you want to make any note, you can do that like this. You highlight anything or you can write anything. Okay, so this is a very good feature. Samsung Note app is very handy whenever you want to copy anything or you write anything. Also you can add text here if you want, like this. Okay, you can also add text here If you want to make any changes, you can do that. So these are some cool features in NotApp. I think this will be very helpful to you, because if you want to buy this tablet, you must know all the features. Okay. Next feature is, suppose I am writing anything and I want to have some shape. So if I draw like this, it will be a triangle. If I do like this, it will be a circle. If I do like this, it will be a rectangle. So these are very handy features. Or if you write anything, it will be automatically translated into text like this. So if you are a medical student, you will actually get many benefits from this Tab S9 FE Plus. The note-taking experience with the default Samsung Note app is excellent. Also, if you want to take screenshot, you can do that like this. Right on screen, it will automatically take screenshot and then you can write on the screen. Now if you want to smart select, you can also do that like this. If you want to select this part, okay, then you can do that. Also you can write if you want to. So these are some cool features that you can do using your Spen that comes free of cost inside the box of this Tab S9 FE Plus. Also, this Spen does not need any charging. It is a regular Spen and the latency is also very good. Okay, so you will not feel any kind of boredom using this pen. Also, the size of this Spen is like a regular pen, so it will be very handy for you to use this. Hope this video has become helpful to you. I will make many more videos regarding the use of Spen using many other apps. So if you are liking these videos, please subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends and family members, and I will give you many more updates on these tablets, and also I will let you know about the latest deals and offers. So it is highly advisable for all of you to press the notification bell so that you get all the notifications of my videos whenever there are any videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.